Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Frances and I am thrilled to have you here, new and old subscribers. I am so humbled. Now, the great thing about doing YouTube is that companies sometimes reach out to you, and it's exciting because I get to pick and choose which companies I want to collaborate with. They don't pay me, they just send me products, and I get on and I explain what the product is and how I feel about it and if I've tried it out and all that sort of stuff. So I'm pretty picky as a YouTuber on who I choose, and a lot of them is I decline. This company reached out to me and they are called VIVAIA. They're a company that sells shoes and accessories, and they wanted to send me a couple of pairs of shoes to try on. And when I saw what they stood for and the fact that they are a company that recycle everything, they recycle 5 water bottles that come from either the ocean or landfill that otherwise would go into landfill. I was pretty much pumped about that. And then I went on to check their website. But not only that, I went on to YouTube and I watched at least 7 videos of people who talked to me. And all of them were positive feedback. The fact that they are comfortable is a must for me with shoes. As I get older, I do have bunions, and the whole thing is you don't want to be wearing some old-fashioned looking shoes, even when you're in your 60s like I am. I still want to look trendy and stylish when I dress up. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into this video, and I'm going to show you and talk a little bit about the company and what they stand for, which to me is one of the most important things. So if you're interested in seeing these shoes, and I'm going to style them for you as well, change out of a few outfits, and I love to, dress up. And so this is a fun video for me, and also get to collaborate with an amazing company, and I get to have shoes. So first of all, this is the box they come in, and this is all from recycled material, and it says step into conscious comfort, stylish and sustainable. And this is what I love about it. And the company, of course, is VIVAIA. So here we go. We'll open this up, this first pair. And this is how they come, wrapped in recycled paper. And the first pair I'm showing you here, they are in the color almond. They are the pointy-toed shoe. And the name of them is, let me just put my glasses on here so I can read you exactly what it says. These are the pointed toe wedge, and it's area wedge is what it's called. These are in the color almond, and they retail for $164.88. That's a great neutral color. They also have these little cardboard, again, recycled inserts inside. These shoes are made from a 5 or is it 6 recycled plastic. The fibers are shredded in a machine, and then they are produced into a thread, a very breathable thread. They have this comfort heel part at the back here, and also the detail on this part of the shoe, they have made slightly wider, so that you have more comfort in a pointy toe, because normally pointy-toed shoes are much narrower here. These are a little bit of a degree wider, and that's what makes them so comfortable. The padding on the inside, the detail to the padding on the inside. Can you see when I squeeze that? It is very soft and shock absorbent, even down into the very toe of the shoe is like a memory foam. Again, everything is recycled. They move with your foot, and I could wear this shoe anywhere, dress it up with a beautiful dress, and I'm going to show it with this dress that I have on today, because I know you're all going to say, which I love your top. It's not a top, it's a dress. So these are the wedge. They are also rubber on the sole is from recycled material. And that is the wedge. Now the material is breathable. I believe it's waterproof. I'm not 100% sure, but they are water resistant. They're just the most incredible, comfortable shoe that I have ever worn. Now, I haven't worn these ones outside, but the next pair I'm going to show you I have worn. I've actually worn them with my jeans and went outside. But these ones I haven't worn outside yet, but I have worn them around the house. And I picked the size 36.5, which is a US size 6. I am a perfect US size 6. As I got older, my feet got a little bit bigger. I think they spread a bit. And I used to be like a 5.5, but now a 6 is very comfortable. It does not slip here. So they do send you tape measure to measure your feet, just in case you're not 100% sure what your size is. And if you're a half size, it's great because they have half sizes as well. So you don't have to necessarily go compromise and go up a size and then have it slipping on the back. So that is the gorgeous wedge ones. Now, I have not seen anyone show these on YouTube yet. So I'm thrilled to be the first one that I have seen actually show these shoes. Yes, I wanted to show you this little V here, which is the symbol of VIVAIA. I'm thrilled, absolutely thrilled to introduce these shoes to you. They have so many different shoes on their website. I'm going to link some information up here and also in the description box and also in front of the screen here. So yeah, these are going to be absolutely gorgeous, and I will do a split screen and model them for you. Yeah, here is the next pair, and these are a very comfortable flat. Again, the same size 36.5, which is a 6 US. And these are called the Pointed Toe Ballet Flats, Aries 5 Degrees. And they're in the color, look at that, nutmeg. And I've worn these already, so they may have a few little scratches and marks on them because I've used them. I've worn them a few times to go and pick up Nora from school. And here is these these are like slippers. That's what these are like. The inside has got the memory foam. It has also got, because I have flat feet, it has this little foam part here for your instep. See that? And it's also got that little piece of comfort for around your heels. And then these insoles, these ones come out because you can wash these. You can wash these. This insole has shock absorption right here on the heel, plus this extra piece of memory foam. So flat shoes, it's so important that you have some shock absorbance, because when you put that heel down, and I walk heavy, when you put that heel down, it goes down hard. and this will take away that shock, and inevitably your feet will be more comfortable and your feet won't hurt at the end of the day when you take them off. And I would imagine you could wash these as well. Now look at the contour of that. See what I mean? See that piece there for the instep? These are flats. None of my cheap flats ballet shoes are this amazing with detail. Like, I mean, the attention to detail is absolutely phenomenal. So, and then, as I say, you can, I mean, I just would wipe them down with a damp cloth, but I think you could probably put them in the washing machine. I don't think I'd want to, but yeah. So these are the flats. The nutmeg is just beautiful. You can see that. I mean, yeah, and all this around the edges. These are the most comfortable flats that I have ever owned. So I'm going to model them for you. I'm going to model the wedge ones that I showed you. I'm going to model them with this dress. Then I'm going to model these ones as well with maybe some other outfits and give you an idea of just, you know, how versatile they are. And I am just so thrilled with these shoes. Thank you so much for VIVAIA for trusting me to do this review on the shoes. I'm completely sold on them. I love them so much. The quality is just amazing. I will get so much wear out of them. And just thanks for the opportunity. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next video. And as I always say, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Bye.